What's up, everyone? This is the new version of GCW Zero Manager. It's version 0.9. I'm going to show you some of the new features. First thing, if you don't know how to connect to your GCW with GCW Zero Manager, just go ahead and check out my old video and follow that video so you can get it to connect to your GCW. I'm going to go to Software and then go to Refresh, and it shows everything I have on my machine. Here's an update that I don't need, but I might need it some other time. So I'm going to right click on it and say download, which is a new option. I'm going to download it to my desktop. And then once I'm done downloading it, I'm going to delete it off of the GCW. Okay, so now that I have it downloaded, I can go ahead and remove it, uninstall that update, do a refresh, and you'll see that it's not there. I'm also going to do another game as well, just to let you see how easy it is to upload multiples. Let me download that. I had already downloaded that file before, and it asked me if I wanted to overwrite, so that's a pretty cool feature too. I'll uninstall it. Now, I'm going to do two different things here. First, I'm going to drop the updated file that I had, the GCW updater. I'm just going to drag and drop it into the apps folder. This is the apps folder on the internal memory card. Oh wait, sorry, have to click on install software, drag and drop. Takes a little bit of time to transfer, but if you're used to using FTP, you'll notice that there's a lag on the upload and download as well. So there's not really a speed difference between this and using FTP. Okay, so I re-uploaded that GCW update. There it is. But now let's go into Files, and we'll go Home. And as you can see, this is where you're going to end up putting your BIOS files and stuff like that. A lot of people have trouble navigating to those on the FTP program and stuff like that. Here you can just click on Home, and it'll bring you to User Local Home, where all your files are for your emulators and config files and stuff like that. Let's give an example. Here's GPSP, which is re-GBA. Right here's my BIOS. I'm going to download the BIOS, save it. I already downloaded it once, but I'll save it again. It's done. I'm going to delete it. It's no longer there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drag and drop it, and it'll automatically upload it for me. And there you go. Now I'm going to show you how to add stuff to your external SD card. Just keep going up until you see Media. Go to Media, and then select SD card, and then go into Apps, and then you can just drag and drop the file that you want to be added, the file you want added. And my mouse is going crazy. There we go. So we installed a file on the internal, we uploaded a BIOS to the internal, and we installed a file on the external. all that done with inside of GCW Zero Manager. It's a really great version, so I hope you guys decide to try it out. It's on the Dingunity forums, so give it a shot.